Hey y'all, it's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another video. And in this video I'm so excited to announce, okay, drum roll, I'm so excited to announce that in March of 2021 I will be having my first soft launch release of my clothing line. So if you guys have been following my In the Making vlogs, I continuously talked about, they were leading up to something big. I was praying on the direction I should go. What should I do? I was always working up to something. That's why it was always so important for you guys to be watching those videos. If you watched those, you kind of knew what was to come. I am so excited that I actually have something to offer all of you, the people who have been supporting me on YouTube, the ones who have been watching me for such a long time, the ones who found me because of the DIYs and the different things I was doing since 2016. Now I am finally going to have something tangible for everyone. You guys know that I am a hairstylist, but not everyone can get to me to allow me to do their hair. But I want to make my clothing line accessible for all of you, okay? I am going to have a handmade, affordable, luxury clothing line. I want these items to turn your everyday life into a runway experience, turn everything into a special event. You guys know my specialty is dressing up and having nowhere to go, dressing up just to go to Walmart, just to go to the mall, going out to dinner. I want to turn the basic events into something special. We all know, especially after this pandemic, that life is short, so it's so important to not say I'm gonna wait and wear this outfit when I have somewhere to go, or I'm gonna save this dress for that special day. It's so important to treat every day like it is special and wear your pieces and rewear them. And I want to create garments that give you that feeling of confidence, of being a model, no matter your size, shape. I want you all to find your special piece in my collections. So in this soft launch, you guys, I will be doing some shipping, so all of you will have a chance to order from me. If you guys like what I have, I will do a whole nother video showing you guys what's in this first launch. But as I grow, I will get bigger. I will create a website and such, so it will be easier for all of you guys to order from me. But you know, I'm so excited to actually have something tangible to share with you guys. And this is another step of becoming an entrepreneur and working for myself. I feel so blessed that God has allowed me to come to this point. Like I said, I'm still walking it out. I'm not going to go any further than what he's given me, and so far I have this one piece. I'm very excited to see where this goes. I really do want you guys' feedback on the line. Let me know what you think once I show it to you guys. I'm just so excited. I will be giving you guys some behind the scenes footage on my photo shoots regarding this item and all of that. I already have it all made. I didn't record that part of it. If you guys would like an ultimate in the making vlog of how I'm setting up my business, how I'm going to make it official, how I'm going to get these orders out to people, I can definitely do that. If you want to see the behind the scenes, who's really buying from me, how fast this is gonna go, I can definitely create a video like that. So if you guys are into the fashion business, I can definitely do some type of things like that. Someone did request that I do a review on my mannequin here that I got. This is a Dritz mannequin and I love her. She will be coming in handy when I show you guys this top, because it can be worn so many different ways. I'm gonna have to show you on my girl right here. So I will be coming at you guys with another in the making vlog, and it will be a review on her. Already I'm loving her, but I'm going to tell you how much I paid for her, what she's going to be good for, and how I'm going to use her and all this type of stuff. I do have a whole little studio set up in my craft room. Like, there's so much that has been going on, which is why I have been kind of not slacking on my videos, but I've been a busy girl. I do apologize, but more greatness is on the way. I'm so ready to show you guys what I have. You guys know I made this top right here back in the day, but this is the type of vibe we're on. I turned everything into a dressy event. I'm always the friend that was overdressed, because I don't think There is no dress code to life. Everywhere is your runway, so I want to make pieces that convey that feeling everywhere you go. If that is appealing to any of you, make sure you're following me on Instagram at Everything by Maja, so you can get a special look into the items, different promotional videos, all that. But since you guys were here with me first, I definitely will be recording videos and sharing some of the same content with you guys. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns or requests for me regarding fashion, go ahead and leave that in the comments down below. I will holler at you guys in my next video, but just keep the name Fashion by Maja in your mind, okay? Something is coming from it in March, so get ready. I am recording this in February. Just know we have some special things coming up. I hope you all enjoyed this week. Next week I will be coming at you guys with a Q&A. So like I said, if you have any questions regarding the business, about what I'm going to do, videos, all that, leave it down below so I can answer it in the Q&A. I'm going to see you next Monday.